it cool down after putting. Aldous, you can put a little more closer, but not sticking like that, so that it will be faster.
And we should put vaccine on the scale.
Yes. After that, I will tell you what we have to do. Okay. Don't put off your candle. After putting, keep the candle on a stick on a place. Okay. That we can see it in the video.
Ma'am, can you spotlight them?
Yes, I put the spotlight. You didn't see?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Can you see them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So sometime your network may be little more
Ma'am,
slow.
I completed.
Okay, completed. Okay, dear. Okay. Okay, children. Now what I wanted to tell you, Fidel, keep the candle on top of a tin or something, not plastic tin, maybe metal tin or okay.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Don't put on your hand, you will get a burn. Okay. Yes.
I have completed.
Okay. Let it cool. Let it cool. Let it cool. Okay. Don't put off the candle. Keep the candle in one of the tin. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Fine. And it should be seen. It should be seen. Where you keep the candle, it should be seen on the video. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Good. Yes. So here we are going to do an activity. How conductor. We have in the morning we have learned how does conduction takes place. Okay. Atul, can you tell me how does conduction take place? How does conduction take place? Can you tell me? Hello, are you listening me or some echo something?
Ma'am, we can hear echoing, ma'am. Your voice
Okay.
is echoing.
Okay. Sri Lakshmi, can you tell me? I told you what is the reason behind the conduction.
Can you hear me? Vibration of molecule.
Yes, vibration of the molecule. I think it is dry. Aldous and Fidel, is it wax is dried off?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, what Sri Lakshmi said, okay, very good. What Sri Lakshmi said that conduction takes place due to vibration of the molecules or particles. So, we are having a metallic scale, a steel scale, and we want to prove whether it's true or not. So, that's why I made Aldous and Fidel to bring this metallic scale, put the wax on it. Now, what I wanted, both of you, hold one end of the metallic scale. Keep the place where you put the wax down. It should be down. Okay.
Ma'am, like this?
Yes, like this. Yes. Fidel, I can't see you. So yes. Where you put the wax should be down. Okay, fine. Now everyone just observe. Now what you wanted, one end of the scale, everyone hold it with your hand, and another end you show it in the candle light. Did you get that point? One
yes,
end.
ma'am. So
one
we have
end,
to do.
Yes.
Ma'am, so the wax is coming.
Hello. Keep the wax. I told a candle to stick to something. Okay. Then hold that metallic scale. And one end of the metallic scale, you show it in the fire. Fidel, I cannot see you. What are you doing? Can you just keep your laptop little closer to that candle or something? You just
laptop. It's phone.
Okay. It's phone. Show that candle.
Ma'am, so we have to do
Take
like
them.
this.
Yes.
And there it is.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Okay. Yes, I can see you.
Ma'am, so wax is this side. So we have to.
Wax should be down. Okay, down part. Yes.
Hold
Hold
it.
it.
Is facing to the fire.
Yes. Wax face should be facing to the fire. Yes. Now one end of the metallic scale, show it in the fire. Fidel, little more this end, not your hand, other end. Yes. And see see that the wax should be fall on the table that way. Okay. Yes. Aldous, don't catch hold of the where the fire is. Your finger should not be that side, this side. Okay. Fine. Then one end.
Okay, ma'am. 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 Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I hope you all can see the wax melted.
Yes, yes.
Can you see the wax melted?
Yes.
Ma'am left the class.
Yes, ma'am.
All are there.
Ma'am.
Okay, I did not see it, but did you? Can you tell me anything happened or wax what you put on the metallic scale fell down?
Ma'am, it melted.
Melted means which?
Ma'am,
Which
it became into the liquid form.
liquid form? What I'm asking you, which drop of the wax melted first? Is it which is close to the fire, which is away from the fire?
Ma'am, it is close to the fire.
Is it, Fidel?
Yes, ma'am.
And did all the wax melt it out on the scale?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any wax on that scale? Just to show, Aldous.
Ma'am, sorry.
Ma'am, now with the air, the melted wax became it dried.
Okay, you just show it again. Let the children see it. Fidel, what are you showing? Very wrong. Okay, what I wanted, one end should be shown in the fire. One end, other end, not the end which is close to your hand. Okay. Then what will happen? From other end, one drop of the wax will fall down one by one. Did it happen like that? One drop of the wax fell down first, then another drop, then another drop. Did it fall like that, Aldous?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes.
falling.
Fida, enough. Your scale is becoming becoming black. Sorry, becoming black. Okay, fine.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am, it's
Enough. Yeah, keep it down. You will get heat on your hand. Okay.
Ma'am,
So-
it's okay.
Okay. Switch off the candle now. Enough, Aldous.
Okay, ma'am.
Your hand. Okay. Yes. So you have seen that activity, everyone, correct? Steve, can you explain what did you see?
Ma'am, I can't see the properly. That is not for Steve.
Okay. What about others? Anyone can share? Devika, can you explain?
The conduction takes place in that activity.
Okay. In that, which wax drop started melting first? Is the one which is close to the fire or which is away? Close to the fire.
Close
Okay,
to
Alda. Is it like that happened, Fidel? Oh, yeah. So,
Yes.
then afterwards, next wax fell down. The next wax fell down. So, fully everything is fell down. And once the heat is not there, it will become solid again. That's the nature of the wax. So, this is what we understand. Why does this happen? This is happened due to the vibration of the particles in the metallic scale. Correct? In the first, the metallic scale,
Yes, ma'am.
the end which is close to the fire, that particle started melting, started vibrating, and that vibration passed to the next particle. Next particle passes to the next particle, and the particle which is vibrated near the wax, that make the wax to melt it down. Did you get that? Okay. So
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is transfer from one point to another point. Okay. Thank you very much. Give a very good clap to Aldous and Fidel. Others, you can do it by yourself, but don't burn your fingers. Okay. You can do
Ma'am,
it.
can do in iron? Like,
Yeah. It's iron, copper, aluminium, anything. We can, you can make even there's a copper vessel, you can make use of it.
ma'am, I
Okay.
don't have the steel scale.
No problem. You can use it with the copper vessel. Keep a copper vessel, I mean copper or steel vessel. Take a big steel vessel. Down part of the steel vessel, you can put it the waxes on the top of it. And one corner of the vessel, you just use in the fire. You show it in the fire, and you will able to see that one wax drop started melting. So it is not necessary you should have steel. You can also have a aluminium, any metal. Okay, aluminium, copper, iron, brass. Okay, dear. Okay.
I didn't
Thank
see
you
it.
very
Ma'am,
much. Yeah,
I didn't see they're doing.
I know it. Yeah, because of sometime a Zoom stop, but still you can do it by yourself and check it. So this is the activity which is shown in our textbook. Okay. So we are now have to start the board again. So on the basis of this heat transfer, we can divide the material into two. The first material known as conductors, other material is known as insulator. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I just show you. So let us go to the same activity that is in your textbook. Okay. It is your textbook, page number, yeah, page number 40, activity 4.6. That's the one. Okay. Yes. So I just share the board. 1 minute. Let me come back there. Yes. Can you see it, children? Okay. So, dear, this is the activity which is shown in your textbook. So, you can see in the picture, the wax drops are falling one by one. So, on the basis of this, we can write the next important points. 1 minute. Did you write the conduction takes place through vibration of the particles? Did
Yes,
you write
ma'am.
that
Last
point?
class you told to write.
Okay, fine. So this is another example. Did we explain this example? A spoon which is fall in the spoon.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is okay. Yeah, this is another example. Even you don't have to do this activity. You can do a simple activity. Take boiled water or boiled tea or hot tea in a cup and just put a steel spoon into it. After some time, you touch the end of this steel spoon. You feel the warmth of it. Okay. So this is also is a conduction. That is from the liquid, it started flowing into other end of the metallic spoon where we hold it. Here also, due to the presence of heat inside the hot tea, the particle which is in the hot tea of the metallic spoon started vibrating first, then the next one, then next one. So till you feel the warmth in your finger when you hold the metallic spoon. So this is some simple example. Okay, that's
Okay,
the one.
ma'am.
Now we are moving on to the next in conductor. So on the basis, we are going to see what you mean by conductors or insulators. Okay, yes. So sorry, Anna, can you read the first one? Definition of the conductors. What do you mean by the term conductors? Read.
Conductors are materials which allow heat to pass through the
Easily.
Easily. So what is the definition of the conductor? Conductors are materials which allow heat to pass through them easily. Example, iron, aluminium, copper. You can write gold, silver, platinum. So please copy the first sentences. Conductors are materials which allow heat to pass through them easily. Iron, aluminium, copper, etc. Those who finish next, you can write the next point. Insulators. Nia, can you read definition of insulators?
Insulators are material which do not allow heat to pass through them easily. Example, wood, glass, rubber, air, water, etc.
Yes, wood, plastic, air, glass, etc. Okay. So insulators are material which do not allow heat. So this is the point over there. Do not allow. First one, allow heat. So that is the difference between the conductors and insulators. Wood, plastic, glass. So you can write all the metallic objects. Okay. Metal spoon, metal vessel, metal sheet, metal rod. All these are good conductors. But water, air are insulators. But doesn't mean that they don't allow heat. They will allow heat, but they will take time to pass heat. That's the difference. Okay. So conductors and insulators.
Ma'am, so heat passes through insulators.
No, heat can pass us through insulator, but it will take time. You have seen plastic materials is burning, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. So it is possible, but it will take time. Water also, see, you are making tea, you are drinking boiled water. So heat can pass through, but it takes time.
Ma'am,
You see,
plastic can take fire.
plastic can take fire. I did not understand. Whether
Ma'am,
it
like
can.
when we put it to the fire, does it burn or like it melts?
No, it just melts it out. It just melts it out. So plastic, we have variety plastic. Cheap quality, good quality, all are there. So
Yes,
cheap
ma'am,
quality is the recycled plastic we are using in the market and shops. Okay, carry bags. That after that you just burn it off. But
Yes,
it contains some poison. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
So
because
more
of that poison is that it is only
poisonous
melts.
gas. Yeah. The poisonous gas. CO.
Yes, ma'am. They emit like
Carbon
the
monoxide.
gas which we can't.
The gas name is known as carbon monoxide. Okay. Carbon monoxide means one carbon, one oxygen. That is carbon monoxide. It is more dangerous than the carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon monoxide. One carbon, one oxygen. Then we have methane, ethane, which is the product which is remain in petrol. Methane. These are the some other poisonous molecule. It is also is a molecule of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, methane, then ethane. Okay, all these are included in petrols, diesel and all. So that's why they are saying that it's or more vehicles pollute the air. So our ozone depletion also, you must have studied the protection of the nature. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ozone.
Yes. Oh yes.
Ma'am, the
So I
UV
think
rays, ultraviolet rays.
you ultraviolet rays are what not they were not harmful to us before. Now because Earth is protecting with the ozone layer. But now what happened? Due to this continuous emission of polluted air, the ozone started undergo chemical reaction. It started depleting. Depleting means it become thinner and thinner. It's become thinner and thinner. So what will happen?
Ma'am, so the protection will be decreased.
So ultraviolet rays directly fall on us. Otherwise, it is falling, just like a safeguard. So ozone was just playing like a safeguard.
Ma'am,
Okay.
like the umbrella which protects us
Umbrella,
from the
that's
rain.
it, that's it. But now, once umbrella become thin, what happened? We cannot use it, correct? So
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, like if the umbrella is having holes and all.
Oh, yes, yes. Okay. So that's about the conductors, insulators. So can you pick? I can ask Amida, are you there? Can you pick conductors and insulators from this, Amida? We have a metallic spoon over there. There's a divider over there. There is a steel vessel over there. And apart from this, there's a plastic scale, pencil, rubber. Can you pick which are the good conductors in this? Amida, are you there? She don't respond. Ameya, can you pick the good conductors out of this beaker?
Man, divide
Divider. Then what else?
beaker.
Beaker is not a steel. It's a glass, correct? Then what is this? Metallic spoon, correct?
Metallic spoon, yes.
Then there is a small vessel inside. I think so. And there are some another fork or something inside. So all these are conductors. Okay.
Ma'am, can
Yasin?
you show the examples?
Okay, fine. Previous slide.
Yes.
Yes.
Examples.
So here all metallic objects. You no need of writing aluminium and all. You can just write all metallic objects. Yes.
Ma'am,
So
so CO is the chemical name of
carbon monoxide. Yes. Carbon monoxide.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it is in the bad plastic, right?
Yeah, it's a bad polymer, we call it. Okay, some poisonous gas. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. These are the gases emitted when we burn the plastic objects. Okay, plastic materials, if you burn it, carbon monoxide emits. That's why you are getting a severe smell out of it.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am, a large
Yes.
amount of smoke and
Yes. So if you increase that smell, you can die by breathing. Okay, dear. So we could not complete the chapter, still 2 more to go. So we will have the classes. I think on Friday we have class. Tuesday you don't have.
no,
But
ma'am.
we may not meet. We will meet after Onam vacation.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Friday
we
is,
don't have.
19.
So up to conduction, study very well. So the next Onam vacation, after Onam vacation, by 25th, we will rejoin in the class.
Yeah,
That
ma'am.
time
5
we will
days
continue.
all
Yes.
classes there.
Yes. Okay then. Bye bye. Have a
Okay,
nice day
ma'am.
to you.
Thank you, ma'am.